So what's the deal? I don't know anything. All I know is like something about happiness or something.
Goldfish and cotton candy.
Ice cream makes me happy.
Marshmallow.
Candy.
If they could make a chocolate and vanilla swirl donut with sprinkles.
If you told me that I could go to Australia for as long as possible, everything was paid for, that would bring a lot of joy.
Going on a cruises.
Happiness is that feeling of growth and that feeling that you are challenging yourself to achieve something that you believe in.
For me, it's about gratitude, and when I can source gratitude, I'm happy.
My faith, so my relationship with God.
Lego make me happy.
I like listening to music.
I can build cars, people, anything.
Laughing my butt off with people I love.
Smiling and laughing a lot.
My dog Duke. I like to have play dates with my friends.
If I'm laughing so hard that it makes me cry, I'm literally not thinking of anything else.
Being around my family, spending time with my children.
To be with my extended family.
It's time with my daughters.
Being greeted with a happy face.
Being able to open up the door and just have family come over and hang out and spend time together.
When your nieces and nephews run up to you and give you hugs and they scream your name and they're just excited to see you, that's awesome.
Work, hobbies, family, health, all those things could have like perfect synergy and balance. That's happiness for me.
Unicorn. You don't know what a unicorn is? T-Rex. A ninja.
I think I'm mostly happy. I think so. I think happiness is a daily journey though.
Sometimes they can have pink horns with those glittery horns, and they have pink fur around their necks, and they have 4 legs, but like real horses, so that's what it is.